Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video wherein we wanted to share with you how brands are preparing for the next wave of digital discovery. That is from SEO to AIO. The Financial Times recently published an insightful article on how the brands are beginning to rethink their approach to digital visibility because the consumers are increasingly turning to AI chatbots instead of Google for search. A new form of search engine optimization is emerging. Advertising agencies and the tech startups are racing to help the brand surface more prominently in AI-generated results from platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Anthropic's Cloud, and Google's AI Overviews. Companies such as Profound and BrandTech have developed specialized tools to monitor brand mentions across the AI interfaces, tracking how frequently and favorably a brand appears, and advising clients on how to optimize their presence in this rapidly shifting environment. This marks a significant change. Traditionally, SEO strategies were focused on keyword placement, backlinks, and web indexing. Now, optimization efforts must account for AI models process, interpret, and rank information based on credibility, authority, and nuance. In the article, Jack Smith from BrandTech notes that large language models are becoming the ultimate influencer, capable of shaping consumer perceptions without a traditional click-through to the brand's website. So what are the implications from all this? From what can be said is that the implications are going to be profound, especially in the coming future. First and foremost, we have a consumer behavior that is shifting. Bain research that has been cited in the FT article reveals that 80% of the consumers now use AI-generated answers for at least 40% of their searches. This has led to an estimated 25% reduction in organic web traffic, with 60% of AI-assisted searches ending without users ever clicking through to another website. Secondly, we have the new technology that is being built for AI visibility. BrandTech's share of Model Tool and Profound's analytics platform both help companies understand how they perform in AI search environments, offering insights that were previously only available for traditional web SEO. This also brings us to how the search models are getting much more sophisticated. ChatGPT, for instance, not only searches the web but also evaluates the credibility and the relevance of the sources for summarizing the results. Now, as OpenAI's Adam Frey highlights, users are asking more complex, specific questions demanding greater nuance and personalization than ever before. And lastly, this brings us to the quality bar that is rising. Simply optimizing for keywords will no longer suffice. Large language models prioritize the depth, accuracy, and relevance of content, making good content the only sustainable strategy for brands looking to maintain visibility.